If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love.
Hey everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm making a dessert by Pioneer Woman, and it's gonna be good and it's gonna be green because we're making a little treat for St. Patty's Day. It's called the Pinwheel cookies. Let's get started. Alright, with any great cookie, we are going to start with butter and sugar. We are going to cream this for 2 to 3 minutes until it's light and fluffy. One egg plus just one extra yolk. Alright, that's the wet. Let's work on the dry. We have a bunch of flour, baking powder, and a little bit of salt. Oh, and you might have noticed that Kat's not with me today. No, she is not. I didn't want to miss a chance to make something good for St. Patty's Day. I'm actually not a big St. Patty's person. There's not that much Irish in me. Probably like 0%. But I do like me some dessert. Let's mix in some dry. This is what it looks like right now. Oh, I almost forgot the vanilla. So 1.5. Ah, that would have been bad. Oh yeah, this is much better with a little bit of liquid in here. This is much better. We need half of it to be chocolate. Again, I'm just estimating. To make it St. Patty's-ish, I'm gonna add some green dye to the vanilla portion. We'll start with 2. This is not looking very good. 3. This is what I got. So I'm gonna use my hands. I'm doing it. Next, we add to this. My kids do love chocolate, so I'm gonna add the chocolate cocoa powder. Oh, I'm getting a workout. This is great. I'll feel less guilty eating this later. Now we have to roll it out. I know Kat has had experience with the roll. I think it was the Ina Garden pumpkin roulade. Hers didn't roll. Kind of looked like she made a cake and then she stepped on it because she was angry at somebody or something. So go check that video out. Yes, I'm doing this to myself. I'm gonna embarrass myself on the math. Okay, so this is 10 inches wide at the fattest and 9.5 inches. Not bad, not bad. I'm gonna trim this side a little bit. All right, next up, the green. Going in the fridge for 30 minutes. I only waited 15 minutes, not 30 minutes, because I read in the directions that you were supposed to make it 1/2 inch thick. Mine are not 1/2 inch thick, so I'm worried that it might crack. Voila! This is the moment we're going to roll. So I'm going to tuck in the inside. I don't know how to make the inside so pretty. Oh no! Is it because I made fun of Kat? Ah. We are going to use the parchment as our aid. Look at it, it rolled. Look, Mama, I made a roll. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it like a candy. 2 hours in the fridge, and then we're gonna bake it. Okay, I waited 2 hours. Oh my God. So we are going to roll this in sprinkles, or you could roll them in like chopped nuts or anything like that. And then we're gonna slice them and then throw them in the oven. Let's slice. Oven's at 375 and we're gonna bake it for 8 to 10 minutes. We're almost done. Okay, the time has come and I did cook these for 10 solid minutes and I think they're done. And they look really good. This and this came from the same roll. Let's try it. It's a good cookie, just like what you would expect. But I highly recommend making this. It is so good, and you could really make it for any holiday. Just add a different color for from your food coloring. From your food color. What's it called? Food color? What's it called? Okay. 2 thumbs up for me. It was easy to make. It just took a long time because it does require the 2 hour to chill. But it was fun and it wasn't actually as hard as I thought it would be. And it was delicious. So happy St. Patty's Day to you. Thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time. Bye. So that was gonna be really lemony. Good thing I love lemon.